The ongoing rehabilitation work at the Umiam Dam may extend up to July as certain modifications are required to be undertaken during the repairing work. Power Minister A.T. Mondal said that the government has engaged IIT Guwahati for their technical support in the ongoing rehabilitation work. The work on the dam has been going on since December-January, and since then, people travelling on the road have been facing problems due to traffic jams. The Power Minister, meanwhile, informed that Meghalaya is in a comfortable position as far as availability of power is concerned. The Minister pointed out that 2 units of the Minist hydro project are working and the 3rd unit too would be started operating by June.
Yeah, we may go past July. We'll try to finish it off by July or first week of August and all these things. Because in concrete, it is in bitumen. What happens when we lay the bitumen? Vehicle can travel on that. But when we go for RCC, we cannot allow the vehicle to pass on top of the casted. You are aware that we have engaged IIT Guwahati for our technical support and all these things, and we are working in sync with them, including the contractors who are working there.